Hello students, how are you? I am your Jahir sir and welcome to the Jahir sir's math class. So what is third question? Look at that question. Evaluate the following in terms of x and y. We should find the values of these questions in terms of x and y. We should substitute x and y values. What are x and y values? If it is given that x equal to log 3 to the base 2 and the y value is log 5 to the base 2. We substitute log 3 to the base 2 is equal to x and log 5 to the base 2 equal to y. Okay, now let us check first one. Log 15. 15 when we divide 3 5 ja 15 only by the prime factorization. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5 to the base 2. Now into is there means log xy to the base a, log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. By using this formula, how can we write? Like this, we can expand this one. So log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. And then what is log 3 to the base 2? Log 3 to the base 2 value is x. That's why this one is x. Plus log 5 to the base 2. Log 5 to the base 2 value y. So this value equal to y. So what is log 15 to the base 2 value? X plus y. Okay, now check this one. Here 7.5 given. How can we write this one? Log 7.5. So 75 by 10 we should write this value to the base 2. By the cancellation 75 by 10. 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja means we can write 15 by 2 this value. So this one is log 15 by 2 to the base 2. Now by comes here, fraction comes, that's why by using this formula log x by y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a, by is there, that's why minus log y to the base a. By using this formula, here by is there, fraction like this, we can write this form, expanded form. So log 15 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2, this base value here. Now again we should write this 15 into log 3 to the base 3 into 5 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. This one, again this one only. So you should write this one log 3 to the base 2 into is there. So plus log 5 to the base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Now this value is x and log 5 to the base 2 value y, and this one is 1. So here x plus y minus 1. Y minus 1, log a to the base a value is 1. That's why this value is 1. Is it understood? Okay, check third one and fourth one. Third question, log 60 to the base 2. In third Roman, third one. 60 to the base 2. We should divide first 60 into the product of prime factors. So 60, it is even number, so divisible with 2. 2 3 ja 0. Next again even number, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 15. We can divide with 3. 3 5 ja 15. How can we write 60? Log 2 square into 3 into 5 to the base 2. Here into is there means formula log xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. By using this formula my into is there, that's why plus. So we can write this one is sum of log 2 square to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Okay, again here exponent is there, that's why you can write this exponent in front. So 2 log 2 to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. Now 2 into this one is 1 plus log 3 to the base 2 value x. So you can write x here plus log 5 to the base 2 value, 5 to the base 2 value y. That's why y. Okay, now 2 into 1 2 plus x plus y. This is our answer. Let us check this one. One big number given 6750 means 6750 given. First we should divide it into prime factor. So 2 even number, so 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 6, 1 is there, 2 7 ja 2 5 ja. It is with divisible with 5 is there, or you can divide with 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 1 is there, 3 5 ja. Again with 3 3 ja 9, okay, 2 is there, 3 7 ja 21, 1 is there, 3 5 ja 10. Again with 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Now we can divide it with 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja. Next 5 5 ja is equal to, this one can be written as a log 2 into 3 power 1 2 3, that's why 3 cube into 3 times 5 is there, 5 cube to the base 2. Again into is there, use this formula only here also. So how can we write this one? Log 2 to the base 2 plus log 3 cube to the base 2 plus log 5 cube to the base 2. Here they have exponent, that's why write here by using this formula, log x power m to the base a is equal to m log x to the base a. By using this formula you can write these exponents in front of that log value. Log here log 2 to the base 2, this one also log a base a is equal to 1. By using this formula, this one we can write 1, this value is 1 plus this one is 3 log, this 3 comes here, 3 to the base 2 plus this one 3, you can write 3 here, means 3 log 5 to the base 2. Okay, substitute these values, log 3 to the base 2 value is x, log 5 to the base 2 value is y. So 1 plus 3x plus 3y, this one is our answer. This is the third Roman. Okay, is it understood?